Elvish Yadav, a name many recognize from his YouTube pranks and hilarious sketches, has now become a prime example of how digital fame can translate into a luxurious lifestyle. The Haryana-born content creator has come a long way from his early days on YouTube. Today, he is the proud owner of not one, but two stunning properties worth a total of 18 crore rupees. Let's take a closer look at his jaw-dropping real estate collection. Elvish's Dubai duplex is nothing short of a dream. Valued at 8 crore rupees, this is not your typical rented vacation home. Elvish bought it himself, a clear testament to his success. With sweeping panoramic views of the iconic Dubai skyline, the duplex offers luxury bathrooms, spacious balconies, and a kitchen designed to impress even the most discerning content creators. The vibe? It's not just a bachelor pad, it's a glamorous, high-end home. Inside, Elvish's Dubai home exudes elegance. The kitchen is outfitted with sleek appliances, making it the perfect spot for cooking up content or enjoying a peaceful meal. The spacious balconies offer views so picturesque, you might just spot a Ferrari or two racing by. Simply put, it's a luxurious sanctuary in the heart of one of the world's most vibrant cities. Back in India, Elvish reigns over his 16 BHK mansion in Gurgaon, which is valued at over 10 crore rupees. This sprawling house is more than just a residence, it's a personal content creation kingdom. The living room is a mini museum, showcasing his YouTube play buttons, award plaques, and framed memories of his journey from a Haryanvi humorist to a YouTube sensation. The kitchen is designed like a content creator's cooking lab with glossy marble countertops and high-end appliances. It's clear that Elvish's mansion is built to support both his personal and professional needs. Each bedroom is a cozy sanctuary with comfy beds, soft lighting, and stylish decor. Even the guest rooms are designed with a touch of class, making them perfect for vlogging and entertaining. From cracking jokes on YouTube to owning an 8 crore rupees duplex in Dubai and a 16 BHK mansion in Gurgaon, Elvish Yadav's journey shows how digital fame can lead to real-world success. His homes are a clear reflection of his hustle, proving that influencing can be more than just a job, it can be a full-blown empire. So, the next time someone doubts the power of influencing, just point to Elvish Yadav's properties. Because he's not just creating content, he's building a legacy.